Okay guys, so naglaro tayo ng Can't Touch It Color. Ah! What the? The server has shut down! Oh my god! Bro! Grabe! The server has shut down! I thought I got kicked. Play this game. Let's see if I will get the end. The server has shut down. Oh my gulay. Nagulat ako doon na. Akala ko naban ako. Kick from this game. Error code 267. Right? I'ma joke you. Oh, what the heck? There is a dagat. 2 verse 94. Let's keep playing this. Let's just touch it. I got kicked! Oh no! Oh my gosh. Bro! Oh my god. Hala! Naban ako! Hala! Nahack yung account ko! Oh no! I'm so sorry guys, but I have to create me. Wait, I have an idea. I will appeal. Wait, pause ko muna natin. Okay guys, so we're checking Roblox again. I think I got unhacked. Oh my god, I actually got unhacked. That is good. Whoa. I got unhacked. I'll never play that again. Build the boat. Uy! Nalaro ko yan eh. Ang hirap lang makapo. Your position. Bro, Milagron is online. This guy is online. This guy is on. What the? You know how to do that? Roblox Studio. I'm playing. You know. Let me play. Let me play. Tornado Tornado damage. There is a water tower on that. Kanina, yung ano pa lang, naglalaro pa lang ako. Na-shutdown yung server eh. Ano nangyari? What my God? What is happening? Bro, it's raining. It's raining taco. Super Run is gonna flame you. Wait. Oh, I'm like hacking. Oh my God. Whoa. Wait. Oh my goodness. How did I get in? Help, I'm stuck. Oh my. Wait. Hala. I'm stuck inside this thing. I'm gonna reset. Tornado is coming. Yo, the other is flying. Stop flying, little. Why this house got destroyed? Where is the water tower? I wanna find it. There he is. There is actually water tower. You know what the? There is tornado. Oh no! Let me get in. Destroy this water tower. What am I not flying? I wanna fly. I wanna fly. The tornado is not flying. Destroy the water tower. Bro, destroy this water tower. Tornado. Is it getting destroyed? The other is flying. Yes. It's gonna get destroyed, the water tower. Do they have any items right here? No. Guys, destroy! Why are you not destroying this water tower? I need to destroy it. I need super ram to destroy. To push it. Why, bro? Why? This water tower needs to be demolished. Oh my. The other is now flying. Please demo this water tower. Oh my gosh. I wanna fly too. Bruh, it's not letting me fly. Oh, is this not tornado? It's not letting me fly. Destroy this water tower! Go, tornado! Is that a fart sound? Oh my PC, I'm lagging. There is too many tornadoes here. Look at that. Bro, destroy this water tower. You ugly tornado now. Bro, it's flying. I wanna fly too. Please, let me fly, please. Let me fly. Let me fly. I wanna fly. Oh my. He's flying. Ow! Yo! Yo, no, I missed. I wanna fly. No. Come on, let's get in here, quick. He's getting there. Bro, the tornado. Bro, where did the tornado respawn? Where is the tornado? Bro, hey, get out here! I will fling you! Yo, I'm flying! Get out! I'm gonna push you! Push! Allah! Bro, where's the tornado? Allah, where's the tornado come? I need to find him. Where did he go? Did he go on somewhere? Ah! Stop, bro! I'm gonna fling myself. Wait lang, guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Summer. Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. Up, I'm too fast to slide food up on my pedal, and I'm gone. Go. Keep up on my straight, Washington. I can't pass! I'm falling void! Bro! green light, red light, green light, red light, green. Keep up, I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Push my foot up. Ay, kuya, wait lang. Tignan. Give me everything you took from me. Give me everything you took from me. Up. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. Push my foot up on my pedal and then go. Go. Keep up on my straight. Washington, Rasa, Bro, next island. Oh yes, I found the tornado. It's right here. Yo, I wanna fly, please. I wanna fly, please. I wanna fly. I'm flying. Yo, I'm flying. What the? The others. Bro. Keep up, I'm too fast. The tornado is letting me not flying. I wanna fly. Please, tornado. Ugly tornado. Ugly tornado needs to be mine. Man. Bro, another utot. I wanna fly. I wanna fly. Yes. We're gonna fly. Yay! Oh, what the? I wanna fly. Oh my gulay. That thing just make me fly away. Fly away. Let me just go on it. Let's fly right here. This needs to be fly so that. Yes! God! Oh, we're flying! Help me! I'm flying, guys! Oh my gulay! Bro, that makes me fly away! Lol! The tornado so ugly. Look at him! Oh my god, he's getting! I'm gonna catch him! Keep up, I'm too fast. Bro, he's going on the void! Don't go on the void. Bro. He's on the void! Can I catch her? Oh no! If I die, I'm not gonna. Yep, I die. I'm gonna. Sorry, I have to stop. Bye.